Yeah, hi team. Good morning. Hope you're doing well. Let me open. Okay, today we are going to conduct our 50th session um, in our 100 days learning challenge. Okay, this is going to be awesome. I will tell you why it is special. Okay, even though it's not a big thing because we just completed 50 sessions, we didn't learn all the topics in JavaScript itself, but why it is a special for us. This is going to be awesome. I will tell you, and if anyone join the live, yeah, if you want to, yeah, you can chat with me if it is required. Anything for you. So I'm just opening the playlist. So here we started this on October 10th, and now it's December 30th. Um, like before entering into the new year, at least we are going to complete 50 sessions on this. Okay, and here I'm going to give some valuable gifts because if you compare with money, maybe that is not going to be valuable. But if you just calculate in the worth, definitely it is going to be very very valuable. Okay, and small gifts which you can love, okay, those also available. So who joined the live and who joined here only eligible to receive those gifts. Okay, okay, fine. Like with so before going to that, um, okay, I will explain what we have learned so far and what we are going to learn in next 50 days, and that is not going to be end because after completing 100 days learning challenge, it's not going to be that means our training is not going to be complete. So the first phase is going to be complete, and then we are going to enter into the second phase. Okay, actually why I introduced the 100 days learning challenge means normally if I take a new batch for JavaScript full stack development, naturally, because many reasons people will register it because students and many people will register. Suppose for example, if we are starting new batch, more than 100 students are registering, 100 plus students. Out of these 100 students, minimum 50 students are not joining on the first day itself. Okay, just they will register and they are not going to join. I don't know the reason. Maybe they don't have a clarity, or maybe they don't know the importance of the learning, or maybe because it is completely free, that's why maybe they are registering and after that they are leaving. Okay, no problem, because that's not a big deal. So out of 100, only 50 students, maximum 50 students will join the training, and after that it's not that much easy to attend the sessions daily. Okay, currently we are in entertainment world. Every Saturday Sunday lots of movies going to be released, and cricket matches, football matches, and like web series. Okay, like OTT is there, and YouTube is there, and college friends, trips, families, functions. It's very difficult to focus on the subject while you are studying. Yeah, I know how difficult is this, because at least when I was studying graduation, I didn't attend any sessions outside. Apart, even I didn't went to college also. I went to college, but I didn't focus on the subject. At least you guys are very good that you are studying BTech second year or third year. At this stage, you realize the importance of learning and you are learning properly. At least you are attending the sessions. That's a great thing. Okay. So out of 50, so initially, okay, 100 people will register and 50 students are not going to be joined on the first day itself. Maybe there is a reason that maybe they are not happy with our trainings because we don't have um, a good website, we don't have proper infrastructure, we don't have a publicity that we should normally people will attract that like out of 100 students 50 students got the jobs and they are in this good position, so maybe the students will realize that this is going to be very important. But right now actually I'm not interested in that, because yes, most of I think who joined with SVGIE from last 2 years, um, a few people who have a huge gap after the graduation, like 5 years, 10 years gap, they didn't succeed properly. They are not in a good position, definitely, because they have a huge gap. They have very less opportunities, and they need to do a lot of projects. Okay, those people are not in a good position. But apart from those people who have huge gap after graduation, everyone got settled in their life properly. But we don't need to discuss about these things a lot, because we should focus on the subject. And because anyway we are not going to focus on earnings and money or something, so we don't need to do give a publicity, this kind of things. So naturally, because my intention is, suppose if a student join this trainings, once they complete the training, they will understand the importance of this. Once they succeed, definitely they will refer their friends or families, so that is going to be more valuable instead of um, doing other things. Of course I'm not saying those are bad, but I believe in this process, because if a student says that okay, this training is going to be very good, I have learned already, so that this is going to be helpful for other people, then it will be more worth. So out of 100 only 50 students will join the training, and after that actual problems will start. Actually 50 out of 100, definitely 50 students are interested, they are interested to learn, but due to lack of laptop or few other reasons, maybe 5 to 10 people will drop off. But after that, maybe around 40 people will continue the training. In this process, okay, practice is very important. So people will join the trainings, students will join the training, but if a student is not going to do practice daily, I'm saying students should do practice daily at least 30 minutes. And so if he don't do a practice, after few sessions he can't understand anything, because this is not a movie. Suppose if you go to the Avatar movie, like 2.5 hour, three and a half hours, you don't need to put your brain too much. Just watch the movie and enjoy. If you go to the if you go to the stadium, you don't need to put a lot of pressure on your mind. So that's like watching the movie is different. Learn how to make a movie is different, and watching cricket is different. Playing cricket is different. So most of the students are thinking that learning is always boring. That's why movie is very interesting. No, because always we are comparing learning subject with watching movies and watching cricket. That is a wrong comparison, right? So learning programming is equal to playing cricket, learning cricket. At the same time, learning how to make movies, because Rajamouli has taken around 5 to 10 years to learn all the things, right? 24 crafts. And Virat Kohli and Sachin Tendulkar are, of course, they are learning cricket from maybe at the age 8 or 10, right? They're learning. Of course, we are going to the schools from third year. It's 3 year from the age of at 3 years also, but because of lots of problems in our education system or something, like we can't blame anyone, but end of the day engineering students are not able to get a simple job. So that's a different thing. So because if you don't do practice, definitely you can't understand session. So naturally people, minimum 5 to 10 people will drop out. So end of the day, out of 100, okay, maximum 30 students. Even if we charge money or something also, even if you pay 10,000 rupees or 1 lakh rupees also, this percentage will increase up to 10% only. Okay, normally if it is free, it will be 30% students will utilize the opportunity. And if we charge money, maybe it will be 40%, but definitely it will not be 100%. Okay, because it's not that much easy to practice actually daily, attending the sessions daily and practicing daily, revising the sessions every week. It's not an easy thing. That's why I'm saying reaching 50 sessions is not a easy thing. So like only few students joined the um, today's session, but of course we are most of the students are going to the college, so that it's not possible for them to attend the live sessions daily, so that they are watching the recordings whenever it is possible on the day, and they are doing practice. And a maximum around I think 20 to 30 students are like regularly practicing. And in between, definitely in the college you have examinations and mid exams, final exams. Due to those things also, people are um, not able to complete all the sessions, but no problem, because that's the examinations and college is also very important for us. So whenever you have an examination, just don't join the sessions, just focus on the examinations. And once you complete the examination, just come back and speed up the things, so that you will be on track. So this is what, so right now around 20 to maximum 30 students are learning properly, they are attending properly. Definitely, i'm saying I'm saying these 20 students or 30 students are going to be 100% successful. Okay, I'm not saying that because you are attending the trainings in SVGIE, because I am giving a training. No, because if you are habituated for learning for 50 days, that's enough. Okay, even though you can, if you watch any YouTube channel, you can learn. You can learn on your own also, because once your mind and body is habituated to learn something new for more than 30 days to 50 days, that's it. That's it. You will succeed. Okay, that's why I'm saying every one of you will succeed. And at the same time, this in our SVJE, we are going to provide training. Okay, not only for 100 days. Okay, after 100 days also, we are going to provide training on advanced things, because JavaScript, if you want to learn w- just one subject, that is JavaScript, minimum I need to provide, like any trainer need to provide, take 100 days, minimum 6 months of training is required if you want to become expert in JavaScript itself. So if you want to learn React, HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, Node.js, databases, so if you want to learn all these things, around it will take 1 year to 2 years actually. But we are not going to, because in the beginning itself we are not going, we don't need to be expert in all the things, but at least we should be very strong in the fundamentals. That is going to be very very important. So so far we have learned fundamentals in, of course we have learned HTML and CSS and Bootstrap. Okay, of course Bootstrap we have provided only few sessions, and of course that's not a big deal actually. Bootstrap you can learn on your own. And now we are learning JavaScript. Of course, we started our journey on October 10th, right? If I'm not wrong, October 10th. And JavaScript we started on November 7th. November 7th. So still JavaScript we need to learn actually. In this 100 days challenge also, we are going to conduct a minimum 10 to 15 sessions on JavaScript itself, pure JavaScript. Then we are going to enter into the Node.js fundamentals. Then we are going to start learning React. Okay. So here in this 100 days challenge, along with learning fundamentals of React, we are going to finish this Amazon clone. Of course, within 100 days, it's not possible to learn React and Node.js in a great extent. But after completing this 100 days challenge, we are going to conduct again, again minimum 30 to 40 sessions on advanced JavaScript. So you, because this is going to be helpful, because 100 days challenge is more than enough for a freshers. Like if you are a college student, if you are able to complete this 100 days challenge, and that is going to be more than enough to get a job as a fresher. But if you have opportunity in the college like campus placements, because even I went to campus placements from my company for one college the last year. Once they complete aptitude and reasoning and those tests, the technical round is very very easy actually. So we are expecting that in I'm saying from my company we are giving like they are giving around 10 to 12 lakhs for freshers actually. Okay, 10 to 12 lakhs as a freshers, for freshers. But actually, of course, they are very good in fundamentals and writing for loops and all this coding. They are very good, but they don't know about much about JavaScript. They don't know much about Node.js. Actually, they don't know what is React also. They don't know what is React also. But they are getting 10 to 11 lakhs salary, 10 to 12 lakhs salary, because that is enough as a fresher. No one will expect. But if you, because if you complete your aptitude and reasoning level, and if you provide all these things in your resume, and if you say that I will learn HTML, I have learned CSS, I have learned Bootstrap, I have learned JavaScript, I'll learn Node.js. If you say that I learned React also, okay, blindly, okay, they will ask few questions whether you are saying true or not. Okay, once they realize that, oh, this student really learned all these things in a college level, definitely you will get a job. They will give a offer letter blindly, I'm saying. Because even who are studying CBIT and some good college also, they don't know all these technologies. That's what I'm saying, because in my company there are few students are from CBIT and Vardhaman and some other good engineering colleges in Hyderabad. So they are very good in fundamentals. They are very good in aptitude and reasoning. That's why they got opportunity, and we have provided training again once they join the company. So in the same way, that's why I'm saying, if you complete these 50 sessions properly, if you learn 50, of course we have discussed about the scope and all these things now. These concepts are going to be very helpful for even for who are working, who are trying for a job as 3 to 4 years of experience also. And that's why I'm saying, after completing this 100 days challenge, we are going to provide minimum 30 to 40 sessions on JavaScript itself to expert in JavaScript. After that, that training is going to be helpful for even a student have 8 to 10 years gap after graduation, I'm saying. Even if you have a gap, 8 to 10 years of gap after graduation also, if you learn all these things, if you, but end of the day, you should practice, you should revise, and you should that concept should be registered, and you should do some projects. It will take time, it will take time. So if you expect the job within 2 months or 3 months, definitely SVGI is not the right platform. Definitely you should go outside for if you want to get a job quickly. But here I'm not going to give any job guarantees on this all false statements and false promises. Only thing is, we are going to provide the right training. Whenever you realize that this is not going to be right thing, you can just drop off from the training and you can go outside and you can attend any kind of training in the world. So here, that's why you have completed 50 sessions. That's why i'm I'm very happy, because when because for a trainer, um, because we are not charging anything, we are not taking anything, even we're not taking any appreciation something, but only motivation is, if student do practice, I'm very happy. I can put more effort. If students are not doing practice, if students are not attending a sessions, then even I can't put more efforts, right? So even though this training is good, if students don't realize the importance of the training, if the students are not going to do practice, no one can do anything. But because at the time I need to focus on um, some real-time projects, and I need to start some startups, okay, instead of giving training. But happily, our students are very good, so that's why I'm completely focusing on teaching, and I will definitely help you throughout your life, I'm saying, not only for 100 days. Because once you complete 100 days, you are going to learn advanced things. After that, we are going to learn frameworks. After that, we are going to become a full stack development. After that, because every 6 months, every 3 months, every 2 months, 3 months, new technologies are coming. New technologies will come. So we need to upgrade every day actually. So the training will going to continue till you retire. So, and with a free of cost. We don't need money here. So why we are giving free of cost? That is a different subject. I will tell you later. What is the purpose and what is the motivation behind that? Okay, I'm talking too much. Maybe you are getting bored. Okay, now I will come to the gift section. Okay, just ping me. Okay, let's see who is there in the live. Okay, two people are there in live. Okay, I'm giving a three options. Just choose one thing. Okay, one is okay. Now you can go for gifts. Okay, one is like food coupons. Okay, at least you can have a biryani. Like people love biryani, especially in Hyderabad, right? Or pizza, whatever it is. Okay, of course, even I don't have too much money with limited budget. And second one is okay, if you want movie tickets because it's a season for movies, a lot of movies are released. Maybe I'm not sure how many of you already completed these movies. And the third one is books. So if you want read any book, if you like anything, definitely I will give that books. Okay, just choose one thing. Okay, just ping me. Okay, genuinely. Okay, don't say that I need a book. Okay, if you want a movie ticket, this for fun. Okay, don't say that Raghu, don't give gifts to me. Just instead of that, just donate to something. Okay, don't say that. Okay, donation should happen. You should earn money on your own. With that money, you should give a donations. Okay, normally when I ask this question, people will start that Raghu, we don't need money, just give a donation. No, okay, you should take these gifts. Okay, when once you got the job, once you earn money, then you can do a donation. Okay, now just quickly ping me. What is your choice from three? Quick. And if it is a food, just tell me from which restaurant you need that food. I will order for you, or at least I will transfer the equivalent amount for you. Bhavita Sri said books. Okay, yeah, everyone. Even if you have any some, I don't know. I think these three things are helpful. At least no one need any. Okay, okay. Adya said movie ticket. Okay, very good. Balavardhan said books, and Bhavita Sri said books. Okay, okay, very good. And over there in the live, over there in the live, just mention what is your choice. Do you want mm, food coupons kind of thing, or a movie ticket, or a book? Anything is fine. Okay, two people said book. Okay, just mention like what which book you want. Okay, which book you want. I think definitely in Amazon we can order, right, books. Definitely I will order one good book for you, or at least just purchase that book, and I will transfer the equivalent amount as a gift from my side. Okay, just mention Adya. For aptitude and reasoning. Aptitude and reasoning. Which book? Just quickly search in the Google or Amazon. Just give that book name. R.S. Agarwal. Oh, okay. This is very popular from many years, right? R.S. Agarwal, aptitude and reasoning book. Okay, very good, definitely. Okay, what is the cost of that R.S. Agarwal book? Just try, just mention here. And okay, Adya, which movie ticket you want? Avatar. Okay, what are the movies are there right now? Book my show. So at least in Hyderabad, Avatar is there. Dhamaka, 18 pages. I'm not sure. Like I think Adya, you are from Orissa, right? So okay, okay, you want Avatar movie ticket? Like just tell me today or weekend, which theater? Okay, either just ping me in the WhatsApp. Okay, in the WhatsApp group, just ping me date and time for that your movie ticket. Definitely, I will book the ticket and I will send you a QR code or at least um, mention your phone pay number. I will transfer. Okay. And Balavardhan, what is your favorite book? Which book you want?
ఫేవరెట్ అని ఏం లేదు సార్. మీరే ఒక మంచి బుక్ ఎప్పటికీ మీ మెమరీగా ఉండదు.
Okay. 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 Very good. So if you give a chance to me, I will give one book to you. Okay. This one.
ఓకే సార్.
Okay. Hopefully it will be come for live. Are you able to see book? What is this book? This one. Are you able to see the book name? Bala,
సార్
what is this book name?
భగవద్గీత.
Yeah.
ఓకే
So
సార్.
I think most of the people think that if I give a Bhagavad Gita, Raghu, like we don't like spirituality, we don't like to go to the temple. Why you are giving this book? But I'm saying, okay, don't think this is a spiritual book. And I think I read only few books only. I think around 10 to 20, hardly 30 books. But most of the things related to like Bhagavad Gita and Swami Vivekananda books actually. But I can suggest everyone to read Bhagavad Gita. Not in the sense of um, learning a spirituality. Okay, that is also there in that, but it will change your mindset actually into a right direction. So if you see, like naturally, of course, if you see many people who are there in USA, Russia, in different countries, the people are reading Bhagavad Gita, but I'm observing in India, we are not reading Bhagavad Gita actually. I think only few people, of course, few people are there, but normal students and normal people are not reading Bhagavad Gita, but only who are there in temples, who are in that spirituality, they are of course reading the Bhagavad Gita. But why I don't know. This surprise that students never touch the Bhagavad Gita. How many of you read Bhagavad Gita at least one line in a book? I think very few people. Okay, out of 100, maybe I can say one or two. So why I'm suggesting this book now? This it will show. No, I will tell you one a fun thing. We will play Bhagavad Gita when a person is expired, and at the time we used to play Bhagavad Gita. So, but this is that Bhagavad Gita should read it from the childhood. We should learn things from Bhagavad Gita from childhood. It's not after after the death. But after death, if you play Bhagavad Gita, what is the use? Okay, normally people think that in that situation, if you play Bhagavad Gita, maybe he will go to the heaven. No, it's not possible. So heaven and all those things are a different thing. Whether those are existence or not, I'm not sure. But if you read Bhagavad Gita, you will learn how to handle the pressure. You will learn how to handle the situations. You will learn how to handle with the people, and you will learn how to solve the problems. Yes, I'm saying how to solve the problems, because you don't need to watch like 10 steps to the success stories or మనకు మామూలుగా ఉంటుంది కదా, విజయానికి 6 మెట్లు 7 మెట్లు 12 మెట్లు సంథింగ్. సో that is different actually, but many people are attracted to those titles like విజయానికి 8 మెట్లు, విజయానికి 6 మెట్లు. So I don't know how many steps are required to succeed. Okay, here in Bhagavad Gita it will explain everything actually. Okay, so okay, I have around 10 books at my home. I want to distribute to my students, but unfortunately, in last 2 years, I didn't interact with any. I didn't meet any student actually due to this COVID or any this personal work. It didn't happen. So this time, so yeah, I'm going to send this book to you, Balardan, if you are interested. Okay, if you don't want to read Bhagavad Gita, I can't do anything. But I'm saying once you read 10 pages, once you read 10 pages, definitely you will say that this, you will realize that this is going to be very, very powerful book in the world. I'm saying, that's why I'm saying, if you calculate the value of this book in money, maybe it is around once, maybe 200 rupees maximum. But if you understand the things from this book and if you implement things in your daily life, the value maybe 10 crores or 100 crores or 10,000 crores also. Because many of us don't know that billionaires and successful people will follow Bhagavad Gita. Maybe they don't pray Lord Krishna, because maybe if they are in from different religion, maybe they don't pray God. That is a different concept. But they have learned a lot of things from Bhagavad Gita. They have implemented in this business. Even if you see a lot of business schools, they will take a lot of examples from Bhagavad Gita. Okay, this is the most powerful book. Of course, I understand around maybe 0.01%. That is also helpful to me a lot, helped a lot, and definitely it is going to be. I'm not saying that you should go into the spirituality. I'm not encouraging anything. That is your choice. That's a personal choice. But I'm suggesting this book to succeed in your life, to handle the problems, because before completing the graduation, normally hardly you don't find any problems in your life. Maximum, maybe if you expect 5,000 rupees per month, maybe your father will give only 4,000 rupees. That will be a big problem. And you want to cover 10 movies in, like, at least you want to watch 2 movies on this weekend. Maybe if you don't have a money to purchase the movie tickets, we feel that that is a problem in our life. Suppose you want to get 90%, and if you get 86%, maybe you feel that that is the problem. But actually those are nothing. Nothing means nothing. So actual problems will start after completing the graduation. Okay, like throughout the life, because at the time you should handle all the situations, because no one will teach you how to handle these things. Even no one teach you how to behave in an office also. Okay, you should learn on your own. Or books are very good, because in movies, of course from movies also we can learn, but 90% of the movies, definitely they will focus on the entertainment, and only 10% they will follow some ethics and kind of thing. So it's not that much easy to learn from the movies, but of course there are definitely some good movies. But if you read books now, if you have a habit of reading books, it will change your life. So if you see most of the successful people, their habit is just reading books. Even if you see many of you are big fans of Power Star Pawan Kalyan, right? Okay, he's also he reads a lot of books actually. So and everyone in the world, mm, but yeah, that's your choice end of the day. And let's see, Ramki said food. Okay, Sandeep also said food. Okay, Ramki initially he said food, but he changed his opinion. Book I'm interested. Okay, fantastic. Definitely. Uh, okay, just in the WhatsApp, just send me your address details. I will send the book. If possible, if you are very near to my place, maybe you can meet me and I will give that book. If you are staying far from me, definitely I will send that book to you through post or something. Okay. And Sandeep, food. Okay, tell me which food you want to you're expecting, like for this through as a gift, a biryani or a pizza or something. Yeah, just okay. Just ping me here, like Paradise Biryani or Pista House Biryani or any other food product you like. Definitely, I will I will send the food coupons at whatever it in the form. Okay, that is fantastic. And still, I think yeah. If you have any questions, ask me. Okay, because we have completed 50 days, and okay, he said biryani. That's good. And we have completed 50 days, right? And definitely you will get a lot of questions. I'm not asking that Raghu just explain even execution context one more. I'm not asking that one. That we can discuss later. So if you have any questions about our future training, what we are going to learn in next 50 days, or maybe for any other, if you have any questions about our training, our plan, and you if you want to give any suggestions, because the 50 sessions we have completed, maybe if you feel that Raghu, if you add these things it's going to be more effective for us, if you change the timings it's going to be more effective, what you can suggest me, or you can ask me any question. Okay, not only from the subject, not only from our planning, if you have any general question about your career or kind of thing, you can ask me. I will try to answer that questions. Yeah, we have around 18 minutes only. Oh, Pista House Biryani. Like Sandeep, where do you stay actually? Okay, meanwhile, ask your questions. No questions. So you should definitely have some doubts or questions, or just give me some suggestions. If you don't have any questions, okay, at least tell me like
సార్ డేటాబేస్ ఎప్పుడు స్టార్ట్ చేస్తాం సార్?
okay, database sessions are going to start exactly on January 19th or maybe 1 week later from Sankranti. So Ramesh is going to be available for us from after Sankranti. So I'm just going to announce a new batch. So your batch is continuously um, going to be continue. At the same time, you should start attending database sessions and other kind of training also. But new students have a separate plan. Yeah, from Jan after Sankranti, it's going to be start. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So we will plan some coding contents every weekend. Yes, definitely. But the biggest problem is I have only 1 hour, and we should parallelly learn subject, and I need to find some time to like do a coding challenges. But before going to the coding challenges, we should cover few more concepts. Like, but normally you can find coding challenges on for loop and if condition naturally. If you just go to the Google, you can find a lot of examples. But especially in JavaScript, when it comes to the coding challenges, especially we need to learn uh, like functions properly. Already we understand up to some extent because functions in other programming languages are different. In JavaScript, functions are hard. I said right, functions are hard. Okay, so we have learned only fundamentals in functions, but now in from January we are going to learn in detail about functions in JavaScript. Like we have a callback functions, okay, and we have arrow functions, okay, and we should understand array methods. This is very important. Array methods, because if you understand these callback functions and arrow functions, then only you can understand array methods. So this most of the coding challenges will be on array methods actually. Okay, normally as a fresher, maybe they will ask how to write a program on prime number, and if they will give us array and just find out how many even numbers are there, or reversing the string or something. Those are the fundamental things. Those you can find in a Google and you can practice. It's not a big deal. But array methods for who are going to attend interviews with 2 years of experience or 3 years experience or 10 years of experience, if you want to learn JavaScript properly, the most important thing is array methods and string methods and number methods. So in this area they will give lots of coding challenges. So still we need to cover these topics. Once we cover these topics, okay, I'm planning like one trainer separately for these coding challenges. Okay, right now around 4 trainers are available for us for 2023. So one trainer is going to handle databases and some server side stuff, and one trainer is going to start JavaScript for the new students, and we have two more trainers. So in that we are going to plan, one is coding challenges and one is a projects. So I'm just I'm just now, okay, in this next 5 to 1 before Sankranti, I'm discussing a lot with these 4 people, and we are going to plan, and we are going to publish that plan on January 12th, because January 12th is going to be second anniversary for SVGIE. So on that day, I will announce the all the information. I will publish the information, plan and timelines and all those things. So I hope you got the answer for this. Okay, we are going to start coding challenges also from January third week. Yeah. Any other questions? Run some coding challenges, and even you don't need to wait for us actually. I'm saying if your 5 to 6 students are there, just group together and find some coding challenges in the internet and try on your own. Whenever you got stuck, just ping me in the WhatsApp, Raghu, we tried this challenge, we are not able to move forward from this position. At the time I will connect for 5 to 10 minutes, and if I suggest something, you can solve that one, you can proceed. So I'm saying, that's why I'm saying you should start learning on your own. Don't wait for me, or don't wait for anyone in the world. Okay, you should start learning on your own. So if you completely of course we will help you in all the way, but if you start learning on your own, if you are able to handle the situations on your own, you will become the leader and you will become a successful person. Otherwise you will become an employee. I'm saying employee means nothing in your life. Just you will get a salary, and at the same time that salary also evaporate on first day itself. Okay, that is the employee situation. So you should, if you want to become successful, if you want to become like a leader in the industry, And in your life, if you want to be very happy and proud, you should start learning on your own along with our trainings. You don't need to follow only our trainings. You can follow like any good trainings and tutorials in the world. Okay. Okay, near Uppal. Okay, fantastic. Near Uppal, it's not a big deal for me. Okay, we can we can catch you. I will catch you there. And yeah, suggest some projects. Yeah, projects mainly e-commerce. But to build that, definitely we should learn React actually. So normally here why I'm not starting projects too much. I'm not focusing too much means uh, right now we know only fundamentals in JavaScript. Definitely, if you want to do a project, if you want to at least if you want to build a project on CRUD operations, right? Okay, we know push and pop and all these things, but you should know array methods like at least filter a map and the find and these things are very important. Once you understand those things, we can start building the applications. But uh, the suggestion means CRUD operations. Based on CRUD operation, like to-do list, Adya, you have already built that to-do list, right? So if you can add item, you can delete item, you can update item, and you can display all the items in the as a grid in the that is the one good thing. And okay, I will tell you some. I think already have suggested few things in the WhatsApp group. Something web simplify, web simplified. So one YouTube channel is there. Yeah, this one. He prepared a few projects. He's a very awesome trainer actually. So along with actually Saini tutorials, and you should follow these things also. If you see uh, uh, quiz app, I think definitely you will find some playlist, some projects on HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Where is that? Okay, he had done a lot of things. You can find something. Actually, I did one interesting project in this. Okay, how can I search here? Uh, JavaScript projects. If you see how to build JavaScript project without getting stuck. Okay, small projects. This is very important. He has done around 122 projects. Okay, so sometimes it's very difficult to understand what he's explaining. So just follow him blindly. Okay, and let code run, and just after completing the project, just come back and just revise one more time. You will find this is very interesting project actually. This you can do with just simple JavaScript. This I did this one actually. I did this one. So if you see my Insta, just let me open one. Okay, the clock. So I did around 1 year back. This is really interesting thing. Yeah, if you see this one. So the clock. This is just with the JavaScript. Okay, I just exactly did what he has explained. Web simplify. What is that? Simple JavaScript clock. Okay, it's around how many minutes is there? Only 17 minutes, but it will take around 1 hour to understand what is explaining and finish the project. And after that, just go to this small projects and keep on whichever you like. Just build it. Okay, build a simple calculator with a JavaScript. Just do it. This is one thing. And just go with the small projects. If you see, build a quiz app with JavaScript. It is around 30 minutes only. So that just go and start building some projects with this tutorial. Okay, not only this one, you will find many things in YouTube. So, and you should group together actually. Suppose Balavardhan and Bhavita. Suppose just on Saturday, Sunday, you don't need to inform to me. Just connect with each other with the Google meeting or Microsoft Teams meeting, and pick up one project for every week and finish it. If you understand 30%, fine. If you understand 1%, that is fine. Even if you don't understand 1% also, that is also fine. Because anyway, we are planning. But if you are habituated to face the challenges, definitely you will succeed very, very soon. So I hope, and of course, definitely we are going to do a projects. Even I'm planning to prepare some projects like this, small projects, and we need to those should be available in our YouTube channel, but it will take too much time. So, but already a lot of things are there. So why we need to waste our time? So just go and utilize that opportunity and learn from them directly. Yeah. Any other questions? And Adya, you said right, you're really interested to learn closures, right? So in New Year, okay, on January 2nd, right, we are going to learn closures. Okay. Before joining my session, please watch Access any explanation, because of course I learned from him only. So just go to Namaste JavaScript. Okay, he's the one of the best trainers in the world. So just these 23 videos. Okay, I'm saying Namaste JavaScript. These 23 videos equal to simply 23 lakhs. Okay, every video minimum worth is 1 lakh, at least for me. I'm saying. So definitely just go and watch these videos one by one, and one if you are able to understand these videos, then no one can stop you in the world. Okay, you can, as a fresher, and if you understand these things and if you explain these things in interviews, definitely he will get surprised. Oh my god, college students are able to understand this hosting, these things. Because if you see, many people who are there in the industry, who are working for more than 5 to 6 years in JavaScript, still they don't know what is event loop, still they don't know exactly what is closures, lot of things. Okay, this is not my statement, this is actually Saini's statement. Okay, that's what I'm saying. Okay, of course I observed that, of course at least 30% of the engineers, they don't know, they didn't understand what is closures exactly. But after Namaste JavaScript, because if you see Namaste JavaScript, how many subscribers are there? Okay, 2 lakhs 249,000. Okay, how many subscribers for SVGI? We have only 259. So if you see, 1,000 times more subscribers for Namaste JavaScript. Just that's the power of Namaste JavaScript. Okay, of course we will reach that slowly, no problem. Yeah, any questions? Any other questions? Okay, for Sandeep, biryani definitely, and Ramki, definitely I will send a Bhagavad Gita to you, and for Balavardhan also Bhagavad Gita, and Bhavesri said, mm, okay, no problem. I will explain in detail about closures. Definitely, you will love JavaScript after that. I'm saying that's the most beautiful concept in JavaScript. Yeah. Okay, we have 3 minutes, and of course, I said I think everyone got the gift. Uh, who didn't join the live, and so definitely just do a practice properly. Join the sessions regularly. Okay, whenever you have examinations, no problem. We can't avoid those things. So once you complete this 100 days challenge, definitely I'm going to give few more gifts. Okay, and at the same time, of course, giving a training is a big gift for a student. If you succeed, okay, if you succeed, like you can imagine, like that you will taste very soon. Taste very soon. Okay, that's all for today. And before ending this training session for today, and I want to say, of course, this is the December 30, so 31st, and of course New Year. We are going to finish this year tomorrow, and we are going to start the new year day after tomorrow, and our trainings, a 51 session is going to start on Monday with the super concept in JavaScript that is called closures. So if you want to understand closures, please go and watch last 5 to 6 videos. You should understand what is hosting. You should understand what is scope. You should understand what is scope chain. You should understand what is lexical scope. You should understand all these things. Okay, if you didn't watch those videos, better not to join the session because you can't understand. So just watch one by one, no problem, there is no hurry. Learn properly. Yeah, anything. Okay, last 1 2 minutes, if you want to, if you have any questions, something you can share, ask me. Otherwise we can drop off, and definitely you are going to taste the success in 2023 because we complete 100 days challenge by maximum March. After that, you should start attending interviews, and at the same time, maybe you can try for internships. Simultaneously, we are going to enter into the advanced things, and you will become a JavaScript full stack developer by end of the year 2023. Mm, at the time, even if you don't have opportunities in your college campus placement, still with that knowledge, you can get a job outside also. That's the conclusion for today. Yeah, anything else? Last 1 minute. Okay, if you don't have anything, bye bye, and enjoy the year end and enjoy the new year as well, and come with a more energy, and definitely we are going to rock the new year 2023. Yeah, bye bye. If you have any question, ask me quickly, otherwise you can drop off, and see you on Monday again. Okay, bye bye team. Okay, I will send you gifts very soon, and just mention in a WhatsApp group so that I will remember. Bye bye.